Take a ride in the 2020 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.